the Non-Governmental Gender Organizations Coordinating Council, NGOCC, welcomes the recent enactment of the Criminal Procedure Code Amendment Act No. 4 of 2026, which has rendered all sexual offenses such as defilement, rape, and incest non-bailable. This landmark legislation reform represents a decisive and progressive step in strengthening the country's legal framework to combat the escalating prevalence of sexual and gender-based violence. This enactment sends a strong and unequivocal message that sexual offenses are grave offenses and human rights violations that warrant firm legal consequences. By removing the option of bail, the law significantly reduces the risk of accused persons interfering with investigations, tampering with evidence, intimidating or influencing witnesses, and hence ultimately contributing to the withdrawal of cases. In doing so, the amendment enhances the prospects for effective prosecution and reinforces public confidence in the criminal justice system. NGOCC also notes that this development reflects long-standing advocacy efforts by civil society organizations, including the NGOCC network, which approximately a year ago mobilized to demand comprehensive legal and policy reforms to address GBV. Key to these demands was a call for sexual offenses to be made non-bailable. We therefore view the enactment of this law as a positive response to the voices of citizens and stakeholders committed to the protection of women and girls. For a long time, women and girls in Zambia have endured gruesome and dehumanizing acts of sexual violence, remaining the most vulnerable victims of these crimes. The persistence and scale of these violations underscore the reality that gender-based violence has reached crisis levels. In this regard, the Criminal Procedure Code Amendment Act No. 4 of 2026 constitutes a necessary and proportionate legal measure to address the gravity of these offenses. It serves as a vital tool in promoting a broader societal mindset shift, one that rejects impunity and the normalization of sexual violence. Moreover, we remain hopeful that this reform will be complemented by the expanded establishment of nationwide fast-track GBV courts. Such an initiative is essential to guaranteeing prompt justice for survivors and ensuring that the legal system remains responsive to the urgency of these cases. I thank you.